Hi, if you're new here, my name is Julia and I'm from the Bay Area, California. I'm currently navigating my early 20s, and on today's episode of my life, it's finally summer and my long-distance boyfriend John is visiting me. He recently moved from med school and he's in California to visit for the summer. Join us while we hang out, get productive, and spend some good quality time with friends and family. Hello, look who's here.
What's up?
Yes. Anyway, we're going to the bookstore because I want to get a book before we go to Asia so I can read it on the plane, and it'll be very nice. It's called The Psychology of Money. Hi, kitty. Oh, it is.
You're not.
Wait, get out of my shot. I unfortunately did not get a book, but John got a book.
It's about the great influenza.
Mm-hmm.
It's gotta be a treat. I'm saying.
I'm trying to look for my book, but I don't know where to find it, so. Okay, we're gonna go to a different bookstore because I am on a hunt for this book. I really want this book so bad. So we're gonna go to a different bookstore like 15 minutes away. And hopefully they have it. Supposed to be a cat somewhere, but I can't find. I'm trying to find her. I'm trying to find the cat.
The cat just walks around.
The cat just is walking around. Oh, he's probably sleeping somewhere. Yeah, I want to try to find the cat. We found the cat. Hi, kitty. Huh? Oh. Oh, sorry. You wanna try to read a book? Hmm? Sleep, bestie. Refreshing. Oh?
It was refreshing.
I don't think so. Hi, it's Saturday. It's finally the weekend. Yay! Okay. Anyway, I'm all ready to go. I'm going to go get lunch with Janavi because she's back from India and I'm back from all my trips. It's time to hang out and catch up and just catch up on like what we've missed from the past like few weeks that we haven't seen each other. So I'm really excited. We're gonna go get some sweet green. I freaking love sweet green. It's like my favorite place to eat. It's just so fresh and yummy. And they have like a new caramelized garlic thing and I really wanted to try it. But anyway, she's on her way over. She's picking me up and we're gonna go. So I'll see you at Sweet Green. The B-roll.
So how's John doing mentally?
Wait, smile. Oh my god. Okay?
Yeah, oh, this one stick.
Where? It's okay. Bruh. Still good. It's Sunday morning and I'm making these ube mochi Trader Joe's waffles. They are so good, like they're amazing. And I added like black sesame in it. I'm waiting for my waffle machine to heat up and then we're gonna make it and it's gonna be so yummy. what do you mean? Welcome back to my channel. Hello people. Hello Jiggly fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go to the Apple store. Anyway, I just got my nails done. Look how good they look. Literally, like, what do you mean? They're so good and perfect for Hawaii. So tropical vibes. Anyway, we're going to the Apple store because I need to get the new Apple Pencil Pro because my current Apple Pencil is not compatible with my current iPad. So that's my first world problem of the day. And we're gonna go pick up the Apple Pencil and go to Sephora to get some necessities before my trip.
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that